And that is very clear.
We're in Ghent. I'm gonna go swap it off. We're in Ghent, or Ghent as the Dutch like to call it, here for Kevin's little birthday trip.
I'm waving too much.
Okay.
We're
We're gonna go to, I think we're gonna head to the Botanical Gardens now.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, just see the city. I do want to go to an Asian supermarket while we're here and in the city center, because it just might be easier than going in Amsterdam.
Let's get hoppy.
Yeah. Oh, nice. The dad stance. Cantik ya pohonnya. Crazy Kevin in his natural habitat. It's crazy Kevin.
With a K.
With a K.
Got the stairs in. Nice.
Shall we go up?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Floopy. Oh, there's a lot of greenhouses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 6. Okay. There's 4 different greenhouses.
4 different greenhouses. Dang. That's a lot
We're
of
going to
trees.
see all of them.
All right.
It's the Ghent University Museum, the GUM. Oh, look at all the plants. We finally made it into the... Oh! What sounds are those? They've made it rain. Home West Sumatra. That's what the inside looks like. We watched a documentary on this with Obama. And there's like, when it blooms, it captures all of the bugs and the ants and the little animals that go in it, and then it traps it inside. And then it closes up for like, what is it, a whole year? And then it blooms again for like 2 days. And it does it all over again. It's pretty sick. 2 to 3 days, yeah, it blooms. And then it closes up again. Pablo here is 69 cents. In Amsterdam, it's like 2 euros, no? Like college dudes. Ew! PG. Supermarket pastry. My love language. Very cute. Also her. We're not special. Yeah, you're not giving that seat up.
Let's get it.
Kevin can.
This is nice. That's a pretty dope bar. Actually behind the camera, I would have ever thunk. And I am headed this way, guys. See ya. Look at this area downstairs. The cozy corner. And look who's sitting right there. By the author of Stupid White Man.
Kevin and his newfound book.
Yeah.
We're on a mission. We're on a mission to find a book because we were at a cafe where you could swap books, but we couldn't buy them. So now we're in the market trying to find a book.
able to buy them, but then apparently they ran without books, which
Yeah,
kind of makes
which
sense.
makes sense.
Because they sold them for €2.
Yeah. So I assume everyone just went there to buy €2 books. So now they don't allow you to buy it.
But I will find a book amongst
So,
these
yeah.
very skinny jeans.
So now we are trying to find a book to swap. And Kevin already found a book that he hid somewhere so no one else could get it. Ah, Kibling! Okay, well,
Sabi?
yeah, I don't see any books.
Yeah.
That's a bit of a
So
disappointment.
we'll find it at some point.
Yeah. Alright, tour guide Kevin.
Socialist Worker Union. En that there is ons huis, is our house. And that is werkelijk de aller landen vereniging. That's like people who work, like it's a specific word in Dutch, but like I would guess you would translate as laborers of every country, unite yourself. So there you go.
There you go, History 101. So we did end up finding books at the market. €1 purchase from the €1 bucket. Now we're gonna go swap it off. Different market though. My homemade lemonade. Everybody's just zooming.